Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of Engineering Mathematics 2. In last video, we discussed some geometric structures like sphere, right circular cone. In this video, we are going to discuss one more geometric structure, that is right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is a geometric structure formed by the parallel rotation of the line about the fixed line. In this figure, the right circular cylinder, this fixed line about which the generator being rotated, that is called the axis of the right circular cone, passes through the center of the base and center of the top. And base and top in right circular cylinder are the circles. And these vertical lines on the surface of the cylinder, infinite number of lines are there on the surface of the cylinder, which are parallel to the axis of the right circular cylinder, are called generator. Okay, this is generator, this one is also generator. And axis of the right circular cylinder, x minus alpha by L, y minus beta by m, and z minus gamma by n. And this axis, means this line, is passing through the point whose coordinates are alpha, beta, gamma. And direction ratio of axis, means direction ratios of this line, are L, m, n. Now, we are going to find out equation of right circular cone. So what I am going to do, let P be any point on the surface of cylinder, or P be any point on the generator, and I am going to drop a perpendicular on axis. I am calling this point is M, and this axis passes through the point alpha, beta, gamma. So I am letting this point be, and coordinates of point A are alpha, beta, gamma. And this line is passing through the point A, and this point is A, and the coordinates of points A, alpha, beta, gamma. And this point should be the other than M. If this point coincides with M, the Pythagoras theorem we cannot apply, which will be used to find out equation of right circular cylinder. Now what I am going to do, I am going to join these 2 points. I am also going to join A and M. In this way, the right angle triangle is formed. Here, PA is required. The PA is by distance formula, you can easily write x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square plus z minus gamma square. By distance formula, we have written that PA square will be x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square plus z minus gamma square. This is PA square. Now, and what is PM here? The PM is the radius of cylinder. That I am letting it by R. PM is R. Now, the important thing is that the AM I have to find. So how do you find AM? The AM is the projection of PA on axis of the right circular cone. So how do you find out it? See, AM equals x minus a, L multiplied by x minus a, x minus alpha, L multiplied by x minus alpha, plus m multiplied by y minus beta, plus n multiplied by z minus gamma. This divided by under root of the sum of the squares of direction ratios of axis L square plus n square plus n square. In this way, AM we have obtained. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, PA square means square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining 2 sides, means AM square or PM square plus AM square. If you put PA square is this, PM is radius, and AM just we found. If you substitute here AM, PM and PA, that will be the equation of right circular cylinder. Okay, this Pythagoras, this gives us equation of right circular cylinder. Now the problem on this one. Find the equation of right circular cylinder, radius 2 units, let P be any point and coordinates of any points x, y, z. drop a perpendicular on axis, that is M, and this axis passes through point 103. That this is 103. This is the equation of axis, and it passes to the point 1, 0 and 3 that I have written. I am going to join these 2 points. Then these 2 points also I am going to join, and I am going to name this is A, P, this is A, this is P, and this is M. Now, the PA square I am going to write directly. What is PA square? X minus 1 square by distance formula plus y minus 0 square plus z minus 3 square is by distance formula. The directly square of PA I have written. This is x minus 1 square plus y square plus now. And what is radius of cylinder? Radius of cylinder is 2. Here PM is equal to 2. PM is equal to 2, which is given to you. It remains to find out AM. The AM is a projection of AP on axis of cylinder. So how do you get the projection? Here we have done the 2 multiplied by x minus 1 directly plus 3 multiplied by y plus 1 multiplied by z minus 3, and this divided by under root of square of sum of the directional ratios of axis, means 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. Now one more step I am going to write. This is 2x plus 3y plus z, 2x plus 3y plus z, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. This divided by, this is 4, 13, and this is root of 14. So in this way AM we form. In online examination, this may be asked as an MCQ. This projection of AP on axis may be asked as an MCQ. Now by Pythagoras theorem, PA square, the same thing I am doing, PM square plus AM square. Now PA square is known to you, x minus 1 square plus y square plus z minus 3 square. PM square, radius is given to you 2 units, 2 square, you can directly write 4. And here the square of AM, 2x plus 3y plus z minus 5, this divided by under root of 14. Therefore you can expand it, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus z square minus 6z plus 9 is equal to 4 plus 2x plus 3y plus z minus 5 square, and under root of 14 square is 14, like this. Now x square plus y square plus z square, here minus 2x minus 6z and all constant 1 plus 9 is 10, and right hand side is same, and you can solve it further, and after simplification this will be the final answer. This is the equation of right circular cylinder. But in MCQs, if the equation of right circular cylinder is asked, in options this will be there or this will be there. The most simplified answer will not be there in the option, but in offline examination you have to reach up to this, means expansion of this you have to do, and you have to reach up to this. Now the next problem. Find the equation of right circular cylinder of radius 5 and the axis is given to you. What I am going to do is let P be any point on X, let P be any point on the generator, P X Y Z be any point on the generator, and drop a perpendicular on this is M, and A is the point on axis, and coordinates of A are 2, 3, minus 1. 2, 3, minus 1. Join these 2 points, then join this one. The APM is right angle triangle. Use Pythagoras theorem and get the equation of right circular cylinder. Here I am writing directly now. equation of right circular cylinder, directly writing equation of right circular cylinder, I am directly writing. See, from this equation I am writing directly. This is equation of axis. The equation of axis I am writing x minus 2 by 3, y minus 3 by 1 and z plus 1 by 1. The equation of right circular cylinder, from here I am writing directly x minus 2 square plus y minus 3 square plus z plus 1 square is equal to radius square. Radius is 5. This is PM is 5. Pi square plus AM square. Now AM square, how to write? 3 multiplied by x, 1 multiplied by y, 1 multiplied by z, and 3 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 6, minus 6 is minus 3, minus 9, product of these two, plus 1 is minus 8. Yes, after expansion, what will I get? X square minus 4x plus 4 y square minus 6y plus 9 plus z square plus 2z plus 1 is equal to 25. And one thing I left here, this divided by, okay, one thing I left, under root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, 3 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. And here, the square of it, 3x plus y plus z minus 8, and square of it is divided by the square root and this square. Okay, this square root will be removed, it will get removed, and 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 10, is 11. 9 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. Okay, it is outside of the root. Now have the cross multiplication by 11, x square plus y square plus z square, then minus 4x minus 6y plus 2z, and constant 4, 13, it is 14 now. Plus this is as it is, 3x plus y plus z minus of 8, and you expand it. If you multiply by 11 and you expand this one, so you will be getting this as the final answer. In online examination, this will be the option. Okay, because the further simplification will not be expected in online examination. But you have to be prepared for it. For the next one, find the equation of right circular cylinder of radius A, whose axis passes through the origin and makes equal angle with coordinate axis. But here radius is given, but directly the equation of axis is not given. But we can find out equation of axis here. See, axis passes through the origin. Axis is passing through the origin and makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. Axis is passing through the origin, axis is passing through 0, 0, 0, and it makes equal angle with coordinate axis. If line makes equal angle with coordinate axis, then its direction ratios are 1, 1, 1. The direction ratios are proportional. So here 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, you may take anything. Okay, any fixed constant. Once again, the axis makes equal angle with coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Therefore, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma will be same, and consequently, the numbers which are proportional to direction cosines means those are direction ratios, and those will be same. Here, for convenience, I have taken 1, 1, 1 direction ratios of the axis. Now the equation of axis is known to you, radius is known to you. What will be the equation of right circular cylinder? Directly writing x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square plus z minus 0 square is equal to radius square plus an now projection of AP on axis. How to write it? 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z is divided by under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Now x square plus y square plus z square as it is, a square is as it is, x plus y plus z square of the numerator only, and here the root of 3 whole square will be 3. Now multiply this by 3, 3x square, 3y square, 3z square, 3a square plus x plus y plus z whole square. If you expand this x plus y plus z whole square, then finally you will be getting this answer. You will be getting this answer. But in MCQ, either this will be given in option or this will be given in option. Next problem. In this problem, the radius of this right circular cylinder is not given. Axis is given to you. But one more additional thing is given, that the right circular cylinder passes to the point 003. This point will be any point on the surface of the cylinder. Axis passes to the point. This axis passes to the point 210, 210, and this is right angle triangle. Use Pythagoras theorem and get the equation of right circular cylinder. But here I am writing equation of right circular cylinder directly. How to write it? X minus 2 square, y minus 1 square plus z square is equal to a square, is radius square, plus AM I am writing projection of AP on axis is 2 multiplied by x minus 2, 1 multiplied by y minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by z divided by under root of the sum of the squares of directional ratios of axis. Now this is as it is, 2x plus y plus 3z, and minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 here. This is equation of right circular cylinder. In MCQ, this may be the option. Since it passes through, means this right circular cylinder passes to the point 003, this equation of right circular cylinder will satisfy this point. Means we can put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 3. If you put x equal to 0, minus 2 square is 4. If you put y equal to 0, minus 1 square is 1. If you put z equal to 3, then 3 square is 9 here. 3 square I am writing. A square as it is. Put x equal to 0, put y equal to 0. 3 multiplied by 3 is and minus 5. Now, 9 minus 5 is 4. Square means 16. This is 9 minus 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 14 plus a square. And here, this is 10, it is 14. Now 14 minus 16 by 14 will be, this implies a square equal to 196, 14 into 14 minus 16 by 14. This is 180 by 14. And therefore, A is under root of 180 by 14. But this can be written like this also, because 90 by 7 you can write. Now putting value of A here or putting value of A square here, that will be the equation of right circular cylinder. I repeat, putting value of A square 180 by 14, that will be the equation of right circular cylinder. Here very quickly I am writing x minus 2 square, y minus 1 square plus z square equals A square, means 180 by 14 plus 2x plus y minus plus 3z minus 5 whole square is divided by root of 14 square is 14. So you can multiply throughout by 14 and you can solve it further. Now, next problem, find the equation of right circular cylinder with radius 2. Radius is given, whose axis passes to the point 1, 2, 3. and has direction cosines proportional to 2 minus 3, 6. The axis passes through the point 1, 2, 3. This equation of axis I am writing. Equation of axis of right circular cylinder. Axis passes through the point 1, 2, 3. This x minus 1, y minus 2, and z minus 3. And the direction cosines are proportional to 2 minus 3, 6. The direction cosines are proportional to 2 minus 3, 6. Means these are the direction ratios. These are not direction cosines. These are the direction ratios of the axis. The 2 minus 3, 6. Once again, 2 minus 3, 6 are the direction ratios because direction cosines are proportional to direction ratios. The 2 minus 3, 6 are direction ratios. So once the axis is known to you and radius is known to you, you can easily find out equation of right circular cylinder. How do you get equation of right circular cylinder? X minus 1 square, y minus 2 square, plus z minus 3 square is equal to radius square plus am square now under root of 2 square minus 3 square plus 6 square. It is enumerated 2 into x minus 1. This I am writing directly 2x minus 3y plus 6z. And now the constant I am writing minus 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 minus 18. 4 minus 18 is minus 14. Now, you expand it, then you will be getting this one. If the MCQ is asked on it, the equation of right circular cylinder will be this one. This will be given in the option. Okay, now the next problem. Find the equation of right circular cylinder which passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square equal to 25 and x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 3. Here, directly, equation of axis is not given, the radius of the right circular cylinder is not given. But what is given to you? This right circular cylinder passes through the circle. This is equation of sphere and this is equation of plane. And intersection of sphere and the plane is a circle. Now, please check whether this plane passes to the center of the sphere or not. So, what is the center of sphere here? Center of sphere is 0, 0, 0. And radius of the sphere is 5. Radius of the sphere is 5. But if this plane passes through the center of the sphere, this center of the sphere must satisfy this. Okay, if I put x equal to 0 here in this case, and y equal to 0 and z equal to 0, so this equation is not being satisfied. Therefore, this plane is not passing through the center of the sphere. This is the sphere. The plane is this thing. This is plane, and intersection of plane and this sphere is a circle, and this circle lies on the cylinder. The cylinder passes through this circle. This is the center of the sphere, and coordinates of the center of the spheres are 0, 0, 0. I am calling this as O. O is the center of the sphere. If I join these 2 points, then this is radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is 5. I am going to join this is A, this is P, this point. Draw a perpendicular on axis. This is right angle triangle. Now, the OA is known to you. PA is radius of the circle, means it is the radius of right circular cylinder. The PA I want. But OP is not given, but OP is a perpendicular distance from this point to the plane. If this is a point and this is the origin, the perpendicular distance formula I am going to use. What is the perpendicular distance formula? If this OP I am going to find out.
and equation of this is given to you, x plus 2y plus 2z minus 3 equal to 0. Then OP, how do you find? OP is mod of this multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this, and this one divided by under root of a square plus b square plus c square 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Mod of minus 3, and this is root of 9 is 3, and mod of minus 1, it is equal to 1, and it is positive because it is a perpendicular distance. Means here OP is equal to 1, and OP is 1, OA is 5. Then by Pythagoras theorem, you can find out PA, which is the radius of the cylinder. By Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OP square plus PA square. PA I want, OP is 1, PA is required to be found because it is radius of the right circular cylinder OA. OA is radius of the sphere, it is 5. It is 25 minus 1 is 24, and radius is under root of 24. It is radius of circle. Circle is the intersection of sphere and the plane, or radius of right circular cylinder. Now I want equation of axis. For equation of axis, now I want equation of axis. The axis is a line, and if one point on the line is known to you and direction ratios of the line are known to you, you can write down equation of line. Here direction ratios of axis I am writing. Axis is perpendicular to the plane. Equation of the plane is x plus 2y plus 2z. Means this axis is normal to the plane. If axis is normal to the plane, then coefficients of x, y, z are the direction ratios of the axis. Okay, that we have seen previously. And the axis passes to the point 0, 0, 0. Axis passes through the center of the sphere. Axis passes to the point 0, 0, 0. Therefore, equation of axis we can write now x minus 0 by 1, y minus 0 by 2, and z minus 0 by 2. This equation of axis. Now, equation of axis is known to you. Radius of the right circular cylinder is known to you. So you can write equation of right circular cylinder now. What is it? Is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to radius square. Radius is root of 24, and PB any point. In this way we get, P, this is A, this is 0, 0, 0, and this is M, and AM square. AM is a projection of A on axis. So how do you get 1x plus 2y plus 2z divided by under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Left hand side is as it is. Under root of 24 square is 24. X plus 2y plus 2z square as it is in the numerator, and this is under root of 4 plus 9, under root of 9, and its square is 9 here. Now you can multiply through by 9. 9z square, 24 multiplied by 9, plus x plus 2y plus 2z square. Now if you expand it, then this will be the final answer. Now this expansion part that I left it to you. This is all about the right circular cylinder. We stop here. Thank you very much.